Okay, so I'm going to take this from the case, and what you have to do is you have to unscrew the crown, and you can see it's already kicking back up. So that means there's too much tension with the crown being screwed in. There's something going on with the crown being screwed in, and it's probably pulling the crown out this way towards that way, which makes it stop, which pulls pressure onto the hacking lever. So you can see there that it has hacked, and then you can press it back in. So we're gonna see what happens and what do I find when I take this out of this case. I am kind of expecting kind of a real mess. Oh, we'll look at that later, but let's see what we're dealing with here. Okay, so we have the movement out, and we have the dial, and you can kind of see some of the damage that is there. I'm gonna hold that there so it doesn't fall. You can see that there's some worn out spots here, and I'm kind of looking into the camera here, and I know this is probably really overexposed, but you can see how there's some damage on the hands. And the hands are very close together. That's the other thing I noticed looking at the watch, is there is really supposed to be a little bit more space in between the height of the hands. So I'm guessing something's going on there. We're gonna have to figure that out. I cannot really get dials for these things. The dials for these are relatively expensive. The last dial I bought for one of these watches was like $200 or something like that. Okay, so here's another issue, which we can just find out, but you see how the hands and everything's moving like that? That means the dial feet are broken. So that is going to be another fun issue we're going to have to address. Now, regularly you would actually put new dial feet on there, but I cannot do that because I just don't have the tooling to do that. I just don't have the machine to do that type of thing. So let's see, what can I do? What can I do? They put the stem back into place, and it is not wanting to go back. So that means that there is going to be an issue with the setting lever and the yoke, possibly. I'm going to have to just take a look. I wanted to straighten up the hands, but we'll figure this out together.